Do you have tons of music videos stored on your computer? Most of the time, we just want to listen, not watch, especially when we're driving, working, or working out. So instead of letting these videos distract your attention, why not just convert them to MP3? Today, I'll show you how to easily turn your music videos into MP3 files using free HD Video Converter Factory, completely free and beginner-friendly. First, download and install free HD Video Converter Factory from the official website. Once installed, open the software and let's get started. Step 1. Add music videos. Click Converter, then Add Files to import your music video files. You can also drag and drop them directly into the interface. Add as many as you want, they will queue up in the list. Step 2. Choose MP3 format. Click the format image on the right to open the full output list. There are over 500 presets grouped for different use cases. Go to the audio category and choose MP3. If you prefer other formats like WAV or FLAC, they're available too. Optional, adjust audio settings. This is an optional step. Click parameter settings if you want full control over your audio. Here you can tweak the bit rate, sample rate, channels, and even volume. Once done, click OK to return to the main screen. Step 3. Convert. Click the down arrow at the bottom to choose where your MP3 files will be saved. Finally, hit Run. Now let the software handle the rest. It will convert each video into an MP3 file. And that's it. Your music videos are now high-quality MP3s, ready for your phone, car, gym playlist, or music library. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.